Ah, right. We've got the bird chaser. You're not a happy bird, are you? Hey, get away from there. Come on. Allez, en marche. You're not happy birds, are you? Yeah, they disturbed your refeeding. You'll be back in us flesh. Hey, Falcon! Falcon! Fais-ya! Fais ici! Ici maintenant. Leave that. Allez, c'est bien. Oiseau, oiseau. Va chercher les oiseaux. Fais-ya! Fais-ya! Which way to go, dear? Oiseau, oiseau, oiseau! Fais-ya, Falcon. Cherche oiseau. Allez. What have you found? Fais-ya! Fais-ya! Ah! Ouh! Fais-ya! Fais-ya, viens ici maintenant! Eh! Fais-ya! Fais-ya! Ici où c'est la voiture et putain de merde! Fais-ya! Have you heard me? Fais-ya! 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 Mais putain de merde! Put it down! Put it down! You're sick! Get off that! Move it! Allez, leave the stuff. I'm not having a sick dog as well. It costs money. Go on, move. Allez. Cherche oiseau. Allez. Ah, j'y marche, ça va, ça va. Oh là là, ça va mieux. Ça va mieux. They're back, they're heading back. Oh, that's better. Just have to watch where the tide comes in. We don't want another video. One video of us getting caught by the tide last time is quite enough. That's a nice lighthouse. You can't go and visit it though. I'd like to. There's a film with Leonardo DiCaprio in about a lighthouse, and that was a very spooky film. Where he's actually... Oh, he's found some birds. Oh, yeah, they're back at the bins. Yeah, well, they're doing a very good job. Allez, on va voir la tour. Allez, ça va, monsieur. That's better. It's not your fault, Fea. Eh? That's what dogs do. They're scavengers. You'd eat poison if you found it. Yes, we didn't. Oh, la 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 la. The bins aren't big enough. That's the main problem, isn't it? There's an awful lot of homemade stuff, and there's just not enough bins. Look at that. Oh, they're just empty. All of them are emptied by the birds. You didn't do any work. Oh, the birds are much better than you lot. Oh, he's found dogs and people. Oh, they've got a boat there. Oh, la 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 la. Oh, yes, he's got a friend. He's got two friends. Oh, they're following his bottom. Oh, yes, well, here we go. More doggies. Oh, look at those. If the sea was clean, I'd go in, but it isn't. So I'm not. End of. You're attracting people like fleas to dogs. I said you're attracting us all. I didn't realise you had two doggies. Whoa, it's best time of day I've been. What? Right. Well, the rat dogs. Oh, she's just ball-mouthed. Don't worry. No, that I don't know who it was. They talk to each other that way. Oh, yes. Hello. Anyway, the rugrats. They call children rugrats in Australia.
They're filthy, muddy. They've been in the sea for the first time ever.
First time they've been in?
Doesn't take them anywhere ever. So
Oh, it's not your dog.
For the week.
Oh, right, your dog sitting.
Yeah.
They've never been in then before.
No.
Hey, hello there.
That's Chewbacca.
Chewbacca, hello Chewbacca. Well, that's nice for them because, you know, it's all right, it doesn't matter. They're new on today, but if you've got dogs, you expect that.
To get a little bit bubbly.
You're looking very tanned. Oh, look at that. Sorry, I'm just busy videoing. I mean, it's only for my personal entertainment. This is not, you know, channel for news. Oh, she just talk to each other like that. Oh, I'm so pleased at the breeze. Oh, that's Freya, but she's not. She's just looking for a ball, isn't she? Yeah, there we go. She's got it. Well, of course, the pigeons, what are they called? Seagulls, have emptied all the bins. So, of course, the dogs were in there. I had to do an awful lot of shouting. Oh, God, here we go. This is the only thing she's interested in, is that. That's the problem. I did bring it, but...
We don't sit for a ball. I'm sure Jake will throw the ball for the dog, right?
Oh, here you go. She'll love you. Oh, that's what kids are great for this. You just throw it as far as you can.
Yeah, she does a Pomeranian feet.
Oh, yes.
Oh, look at them.
Oh, yes, you just... No, Falcon, no.
Launch it.
He'll just follow her. Now, don't worry about it.
That wasn't a very good launch.
Oh, that's much better than I could throw. Don't worry about it. Oh, I'm cooling off. It's just been so hot. Oh, you've been in? Oh, I was just saying I wouldn't. It's a bit shifting sands. I get nervous. Oh. No. What ball? Ah, you bet you can get it off him. Yes, that'll end up in pieces in a minute. That won't last. He can crunch coconut shells. We're talking about vegan dog jaw power. Oh, my doggies. Yeah, you want a ball. Are they not ball players?
No, they're not really, no.
Oh, that's all right. They don't seem very interested in the ball.
They're probably quite exhausted.
Yes. Well, the sea air will tire us all out. Yeah, but you throw that. Oh, my hat. Thank you, monsieur. Oh, he's a big one, isn't he? There we go. Off you go. You can throw us. Oh, you could be good at cricket, boy. Right. So you're looking after these for the holiday? A week of it? Well, they're not much trouble, are they? They seem really pleasant. Yeah, you seem a good dog. But they need a bit of a wash to get the salt off them, eh?
Well, it's all muddy, so they're full up of mud.
Oh, yes. Oh, of course, the mud, yes.
Well, the Chewy got, literally, well, you can see how deep I've been because he got stuck in the mud.
Oh, the dog?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Well, I mean, when I got stuck, it was Chihuahua swimming that got alarmed me. I thought, oh, naughty dog. He is a ball. What's that? Oh, we got another one arrived. What's that whistling? Oh, someone's got some fish. That's working like nothing.
Yeah, Lily wants her dog to come back and
Oh, she can whistle till the cows come home. That's not going to do anything.
This one, considering she never goes anywhere or does anything, she's been over there by that rock.
Oh, yes.
What?
Oh, there's an awful lot of... Oh, la. Here it comes again. Oh, well, that whistle's just doing absolute zero. I love these professional dog trainers.
That's what she's doing in the dog fight.
Oh, the dog's taking absolutely zero notice. Well, this is exercise. This is why I didn't come to speak to you lot. I just saw dogs. I thought dogs will get some exercise. Oh, yeah, you pick it up when it's on the ground. Yes, don't try and take it from her. Oh, she still did it. Yeah, she's a bit of an over excited. Anyway, don't worry about it. Yeah, I shall leave you in peace now. Otherwise, you've got a job for all evening. Watch her. Yeah. Freya, she put it down, you stupid dog. Right. Oh, yes. Oh, you could be, that thing can keep going for hours, yeah? Oh, you cheated, you tricked her. That got her running. If you push her, then she'll tell you to... Oh, I'm surprised your inflatables last with the dogs around.
The little one was jumping on the stingray like it was a trampoline.
Yes. I'm surprised. Right. Well, I'm going to love you and leave you. Otherwise, you're going to be covered in... Oh, watch her. I wouldn't stroke. Eh? right. Oh, he's gone for it. Don't worry, that is brilliant. Wow. Oh, she got it in the end. But he did well, eh? But he let it go because she wouldn't have snatched it from him. No. He throw it to Chewy. Throw it to Chewy. Go on, Chewy. Oh, no, he can't be bothered now. Oh, he's not a big
You want
ball.
the tennis ball?
Oh, if you've got another one, yes. Hey, come on, Chewy. This is great fun. He's turned into a ball dog. He knows you're getting one. Yeah, you're just... What you for you? I should have brought more out myself. Ah, you've got it. There we are, Chewy. Throw it in the opposite direction to my dogs. There. Oh, has he seen it? No, he hasn't seen it. There he has. He's seen it. Oh, he's not a great one at picking them up, is he? Ah, it's too big. Too big. Pose a balle for you. Pose. Fia, pose la balle. Right.
Oh, is that the way, isn't it?
Oh, she puts it at your feet, yeah, there you go. She puts it right between your feet, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, he won't get it, no, oh, he might. Yes, the big one's got it, Falcon's got it. Now, he's a total dork, that dog. Like most men. Whoops! Sorry. He's dopey and he's cute. No, he's dropped it. She's got it. Oh, there she is. That's the end of ball play, and she's decided. Hey, tu veux la balle, Féal? Donne la balle. Oh, I've spoken to her, sorry. Yeah, I spoke to her, so she's given it to me. You're going to do it. There you go, monsieur. You can throw further.
I was going to say we speak French.
I speak French to her, yes. I mean, it doesn't make much difference with languages. They get the general gist. Oh, madam, blow the dog whistle's gone. Thank God for that. I can't bear dog trains. Oh, so funny. I love these dog trainers, you know. I knew it was a special whistle, you know. And the dog would take absolutely zero notice of it. What a